The kitchen sink's clogged up, it won't drain. So I'm going to clean out my sewer pipes by going back in here and cleaning out the sewer drain at the back of my house. So I'm going to use this pressure washer to clean out my sewer pipe. The Sunjo pressure washer is 2300 PSI. The sewer jetter nozzle and hose that I'm using is rated for 4000 PSI. So you can use this on a much more powerful pressure washer if you want. Like I said, this Sunjo pressure washer is a little bit on the light side, but it seems to get the job done. For the sewer jetter, I'm using the POHIR Sewer Jetter Kit. The disadvantage to an electric pressure washer is you have to have somewhere to plug it in. But luckily I got an outlet back here on my back patio that I can plug it into. You just have to have somewhere to hook up the water to the pressure washer. But the nice thing about the Sunjo pressure washer is all you have to do is turn it on. The sewer jetter, it's got 3 nozzles on it. 3 on the back, 1 here, 1 here, and 1 over there. And then it's got 1 nozzle on the front here. And you just put this in the sewer line, and then it sprays water in this way and sprays water back this way, so it cleans it as it's pushed down into the sewer drain. All right, let's go ahead and open up the sewer line and we'll stick this thing in there. I know I'm in the right spot because it's right by my kitchen window. I got another one over here, but this is below the bathroom upstairs. So I don't want to open up that one. That's not where the problem is. To open up the sewer line, you just need a Phillips head screwdriver to unscrew this. And there's a tool you can get to unscrew this, but I've also found that a chisel and a pair of pliers will work. But you want to put some gloves on because there could be some dirty, nasty water coming out of here. So I'm going to grab some gloves real quick. I like using some good waterproof gloves. All right, so you would just put your tool in there and you would turn this around to release the sewer clean out plug. But I'm just going to use a pair of pliers here and a chisel to loosen it up. There might be some stuff coming out of here. That's why I said it's good to have some gloves on. Oh yeah, there was a little bit of water built up in there. Looks like it's not too bad though. All right, to activate the sewer jetter, you just want to use your handle on your pressure washer. Yeah, everything's working. All right, now we're just going to put this in here and turn it on. We'll just go until we feel like something's blocking. Feel like it's kind of clogged right there. Yeah, now the color of the water is getting kind of nasty, so that's where our clog is. And it stinks too. I got a 50-foot sewer hose here, so I'm going to try and see if I can push this all the way down into the sewer, but it feels blocked up right there pretty good. There's 2 ways you can do this. You can either break through the clog and push everything down the sewer drain, or you can break up the clog and push everything back out this way. If it doesn't want to go through, then you just got to break it up. All right, I'm going to empty this tub before it gets too heavy. That tub was making a little bit of a mess back there because it was too tall, so I'm going to try a little bit of a shorter tub here. Going to go back in here and clean all this out. So I'll use this little tub here to collect the water. Seems like it's doing a better job there. And then I'll dump it in this big tub here so I don't have to take as many trips to dump it. Still feels like there's a clog there, but there's nothing coming back out, so that's a good sign. Maybe it's got a hole in the clog and it's pushing the water down the sewer drain. It looks like it broke through the clog because the hose is going in there without any obstruction. So this is a 50-foot hose. I'm going to go ahead and push the whole thing in there and see if it can make it all the way in, and then we'll know it's all cleaned out. Alright, that's 50 feet of hose down there in the sewer pipe. So it looks like the rest of that crud is all going down the drain. So we got this thing cleaned out pretty good. Now it's just a matter of pulling this back out of here and cleaning off this hose. Just gonna grab some rags here, and I can wipe it as I go, but I think I'll dump this tub here and put some clean water in it, and then I can soak the hose in there. They say it's always a good idea to put some dish soap in your sink after you clean out the drain. This is also a good way to clean the sewer jetter hose. Rather than doing this afterwards, I'm just going to run this right now. And then that will clean out the sewer line, plus it'll also clean the sewer jetter. It looks like it's all going down the drain. I can hear it. Alright, I'm just going to get some paper towel here and finish cleaning this. You can see that soap on there, so that seemed to clean it pretty good. It doesn't look very nasty at all. So yeah, putting some soap in there to clean out the pipes is a pretty good idea. It cleans the sewer jetter hose pretty good too. Alright, we'll grab another paper towel here. After all, this is a 50-foot hose. Yeah, look at that, we did pretty good. Just kind of stick the head in there. The head's the dirtiest part. That's where it ran into the grease. But yeah, there it is. There's the POHIR Sewer Jetter head. Looks all nice and clean now. Now we just need to put our plug back in. It had a little bit of crud up here. Get that off of there. Give it a little bit of a snug. Put our cap back on. There we go. It's like it never happened, but only better. Yeah, it's pretty nice to be able to do the dishes again. Have a nice draining sink. Pretty nice to have a working sink again. If you want to go ahead and try this at home, I'll have some affiliate links in the video description for the Sunjo pressure washer and for the POHIR Sewer Jetter. The cool thing about the Amazon affiliate links is that I'll earn a commission on anything you purchase from Amazon after you click on those links at no extra charge to you. So that's a great way to support the channel. You can also hit the like and subscribe button on your way out the door to help the channel grow. All right, thanks for watching.